Welcome to week 25. This is Mr. Levine. I know week 24 for many of you is a bust. So the A through K had no days of school last week, and L through Z had 1 day of school last week. So I am giving you one thing this week, and I'm letting you do last week's assignments. So this is the one thing: speed, velocity, acceleration. I need you to be able to tell me what the units are for these, and you have a page in your notebook for them. Those are units right there. I need you to put them in the units column. Those are units. I need you to put them in the units column. Those are units. I need you to put them in the units column. How quickly something changes its velocity. The definition of acceleration is a change in velocity over time. So this is going to be an acceleration. Only one of these sets of units is acceleration. I need you to match them up. The next part, speed, velocity, acceleration. I need you to know that this right here, meters per second squared, that is an acceleration. How do you know that? Because you have a notebook page that tells you it's acceleration. 400 kilometers per hour, that's a speed. But look, it's north. It gives you a direction. So if you have the direction and a speed, it's a velocity. So I need you to be able to do those. Acceleration, velocity, speed, there's some overlap, there's some differences. I need you to know that acceleration and velocity are both vectors, and speed is a scalar. It is not the same. They all have magnitude, right? So they all have a size. So this would be like 40 miles per hour. That's 40 miles per hour is the magnitude. 40 miles per hour north, that would be the velocity north. If it's part of the change in velocity, 40 miles per hour north, and it's also part of acceleration. I need you to go through and answer those questions. And then I need you to type stuff in here. Becky, there's a distance of 30 kilometers. So where does that go? It says distance of. I'll type right here. Type 30 kilometers. It took her 2.5 hours. Is that a speed or a time? Well, obviously hours is a time. And then how do you find the speed? Well, speed is distance divided by time. So it's 30 divided by 2.5. And on your handy dandy calculator, you say 30 divided by 2.5 equals 12. There's an answer bank right there, 12. 12 what? 2.5 hours. 12 what? Well, it's going to be kilometers per hour. Because you got kilometers up here, hours down there. If you cover up the speed at the top bottom, you know it's a divide. All right, try another one. So it says traveling at 100 kilometers per hour. So we know the speed. Oh, 100 kilometers per hour. How many hours? We don't know this. We do know that it's going to cover 115 kilometers. So how do you find time? If you cover up the t, it's distance divided by speed. So 115 divided by 100 be easy. Kilometers divided by kilometers goes away. The last unit standing is hours. So I need you to do these in this manner. If you're stuck, please let me know. But this is all that we're doing this week. I need you to get last week's week 24's material done.